Hey guys, Coco Tucker here, and today we're doing Chloe Finds Fidget Machine Part 3. Let's go! Hi guys, Chloe here, and today we're hunting for a fidget machine. Let's go. Whew, it's a hot day. I wish I had more fidgets. I only have these two. Maybe we can find some later. What I found, it's a fidget machine. Let's buy some fidgets. Come on, $10 out. Put it in there. Now press the button. Now we pull the lever. Now the other one. I hope I get good fidgets this time, guys. Oh my God, guys, look. Yay! Let's go sit down and try these fidgets out. See if it's a scam or not. Wow, guys. This is such a good fidget. And it spins, too. It's like a fidget spinner. Anyways, guys, let's try this one out. Wow, this one's also good. Let's go bring my fidgets to my house. Let's go see if anybody bought our fidgets today, guys. Guys, we got some money. Look, $10. They probably would have cost more, but it did say $10 on the sign, right? So it's okay. $10 per fidget. No, yeah, $10 per fidget. It's okay. Let's go take a refill, guys. Let's go take these from this girl. This stupid girl. Good, guys. Now, we can finally put them in. Nice. Okay. I think that's good. What do you guys think? Bye, guys. Come back for part 4 of Chloe Finds Fidget Machine.